Welcome everyone. Question on ideal gas. At 27 degrees centigrade, 2 moles of an ideal gas are placed in a balloon under the pressure of 1 atmosphere. So, the volume of the balloon is. Choices are A. 22.41 liter, B. 36.24 liter, C. 49.26 liter, D. 61.12 liter. Answer is C. 49.26 liter. Explanation we will see in the next slide. Here given pressure P is 1 atmosphere, temperature T is 27 degrees centigrade is equal to 300 K, mole N is equal to 2 moles. We know that gas constant R is equal to 0.0821 liter atmosphere K inverse mole inverse. Volume V to be determined. We know that PV is equal to nRT or V is equal to nRT by P. Now we put the values of N, R, T and P in this equation. Therefore, V is equal to 2. It is the value of N into 0.0821. It is the value of R into 300. It is the value of T by 1. It is the value of P, or V is equal to 49.26 liter. Thank you for watching this video.